Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to use temporary domain for Hostinger WordPress when your domain is connected to Shopify. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And now to install WordPress on a temporary domain, because your main domain is connected to any other service like Shopify, click on Add Website. Here select WordPress. Now select your WordPress website language. I will go with English. I will keep it English. There are a very long list of languages. I will keep it English. Then fill in your email address and your password. After that, click on Next. Here you can create your WordPress using AI, using pre-built websites and themes, or create a blank site, which means a fresh copy of WordPress without any added plugins or themes, which I will go with for this video. Here, instead of filling your domain name here, click on Use Temporary Domain. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. WordPress is being installed now. And directly after completing installing WordPress, you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. To give your website a visit, just click on Visit Site. And this is how to use your temporary domain for Hostinger WordPress when your domain is being connected to Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.